Just a disclaimer, do not take off the tape before you put the gloss on, alright?
This is what we're doing.
So basically, guys, we're going to do a DIY of these.
They're for my baby shower, my mom's baby shower, and we're having a girl.
We're doing it for a baby shower, but you guys could do it as a pencil holder, as anything, since you guys are going back to school.
Yeah.
It's a DIY mason cup.
Yeah, so I'm using this glitter today. I decided to do silver because the colors of the baby shower are silver and pink.
And
we got mason jars. We got this from the dollar store. There was $1. The tape, you could get it at Walmart.
Just some painter's tape.
Yeah, painter's tape. What else? Oh, Mod Podge.
Mod Podge.
Yeah. Mod Podge. This basically. This basically, it costs me only $1 at the dollar store, so you could go to the Dollar Tree and they'll have these for $1, as well as the paintbrushes. We found these at Walmart, but this is for another DIY that we will do later. But I'm going to show you guys how to make this, alright? So first, we're going to start off with a mason jar, right?
With tape.
And we're going to put tape around it. So when we put the tape around it, you got to make sure it's straight and even. So as you can see, I have already done that. And then I just got some Mod Podge. Got this little jar thing. And then I'll just squeeze the glue in there.
You can use a plate too.
Yeah, you can use a plate. In this instant, for this, I'm using a piece of paper. I recommend a plate. But the piece of paper, yeah, we didn't have
Oh, we have.
So this piece of paper, what I did was I basically just sprinkled the glitter on here, and it'll fall on here, and basically I'll pick it up and I'll use it as a funnel and to put it back inside of this so I don't waste glitter. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna tap the glue and then we're gonna just paint it. Try to paint it as evenly as possible, that way you guys don't get streaks when you're putting the glitter. So see, I used the paintbrush that people got. I used the paintbrush that I got from the dollar store for $1. It came with like 4 different types of paintbrushes, but I only need one at the moment. But yeah, so just make sure you paint even coats.
I came with 3 big brushes and 2 small brushes to touch it up.
I will show you.
Don't you have more? So this is it, completely coated. So now what my next step is to grab the glitter and then put it all on it. It doesn't matter if you pour the whole thing on there, because at the end we're going to put the glitter back into this. And if you guys are wondering what this was, this is a clear acrylic concealer. So basically, if you don't want the pesty glitter falling all over the place, you could spray this over it and it'll be smooth so the glitter doesn't go everywhere. it's full of glitter. And then while it's still wet, you need to take off the tape, not when it's dry, because then it'll crack. So we're gonna start peeling.
Where are you in the different?
Right here.
The tape.
And look how clean it is now.
Sorry for the dog. He's mad.
Yeah, because he's locked up.
Bam. Honestly, I recommend for you guys to do this outside just because it is a messy project. Or if you're gonna do it inside, make sure you have a vacuum so you can pick up the mess.
We do have.
And if you're a kid doing this, make sure to have
Parental supervision. Curative Crafts Clear Acrylic Sealer, and it's the gloss kind. Okay, so just as a tip, these right here look so pretty with this light. So if you didn't want to use it for, let's say, baby showers, you could totally just put some fairy lights in here, or some lights underneath it, or even some of those fake candles, the battery ones. Put them in there, and they'll look so pretty if you want to put it on the outside.
Also from Dollar Tree.
Yeah, let's show you a far view from right here. So see, that's good.
It's not focusing.
Alright, that's enough of that. So I am now gonna gloss it up. So the gloss is basically so the glitter doesn't fall everywhere, and you can touch it, grab it, whatever. So hopefully I do this right. Oh wait, hold that thought. Okay, I had a brain fart. So okay, so this, I have to figure out a way to put the tape back on or some baggie or something so I can spray this. So just a disclaimer, do not take off the tape before you put the gloss on, alright? I'll make sure to put this in the beginning of the video so you guys know before I mess up during the video, okay? So yeah, for the rest of those other ones, I'm gonna leave the tape on, that way I can spray it down. Alright, thanks. Mess up like me, just get a bag from any store and just make sure you wrap it around the glitter.
Why does it sound like a duck out there?
Because we're in the wilderness, sweetie. Okay, so see, it's covered up. I'm not going to put tape just because I don't want to cover the glitter on accident. So I'm gonna just hold it like this. Okay, so make sure it's tight. It does sound like a duck. Okay.
Comment down if you know what kind of insect that is.
What insect?
I think it's a bird or something.
Oh, no bird. Okay, so I'm about to spray this. So let's see it in slow motion. Layer, I'm gonna let it dry, and then I am going to do a second coat just to make sure all the glitter really stays trapped in here. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so now we are just cleaning it off because it was falling, so go check out the bloopers.
Yeah, it was dripping, guys, so I'm just making sure that the thing is clean and straight, because
then if your glitter drips, it's gonna end up coming to the glass, and we don't want that because then it will look ugly. Come on.
And this is just to show that YouTubers mess up too, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can always buy more glitter, buy more jars. So yeah.
Warren, you see how these are really glittery? The spray does let some glitter, cause look. So yeah, just put a lot of glitter, so it won't so it could dip perfect.
Okay, so this is the one I already sprayed down, but I am gonna put Mod Podge again on it and more glitter just because this one lost the sparkle compared to this one. You can see the difference.
In it. Go. Okay. We're focusing. We're good.
Restart this.
Huh?
What part?
This part.
Oh, going to fight.
Okay, so I'm gonna put Mod Podge back on this and put more glitter just because after I put the gloss, it lost its shine. So I'm gonna put some more glitter and then put the spray once again on it and see if it does anything different. Maybe it'll be more sparkly. And if it's not more sparkly, then I don't know what we're gonna do.